Yo guys, what is going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we are playing a game called Goofy Taggers. It's on our club. Go get it while you can. It's a great game. So yeah, I'm in city right now. Obviously, I've got a Santa hat. I'll show you how to get that in a second. Yeah, right here I've got the stick. Nah, I'm joking. It's a fake stick. Yeah, it's obviously fake. It's fake all around there, and it's red. You can go get it in the store over there. So yeah, if we go here, yeah, right here, it's fake. We've got a Christmas cosmetic over here. You can't really equip any of them. And then right here we've got packs right there. Got a booster stick, really cool. We've got custom cosmetics, very cool. Yeah, this is a fake stick. We've got this one. We've also got this one as well.
This one is real. This one is real.
Oh! He's got the real one.
Oh,
He's cool. He's got the real one. This is a trusted one. He's also got the finger painter as well. I've seen lots of finger painters before as well, so it's okay. So yeah, there's a finger painter in my video now. So say hello.
hi.
Yeah, he said hi. If you didn't hear.
Subscribe to this dude. Subscribe.
Yeah.
And like this video. She gonna get fingerprints soon.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
I've got a few. Yeah, I've got the trusted stick. I've got this rainbow flower. I've got the heart. I've got this. I like this stick. It's really cool. Yeah. You have to wait like a timeout. It's like at least 2,000.
Wait, how you can I think he's a moderator.
Wait Oh yeah, he is. He is.
Wait a second.
Yeah.
Big. Change your name. Big. Change your name. Who the hell is this Big? Big, change your name. Big, change your name. I didn't know it was better.
Do it, bro.
Two moderators.
Monkey on the show. Do it. Monkey on the show. Do it.
Make it the show.
This dude's got finger painter on right now.
Oh, I have this
So, yeah.
bag if anybody wants to see it. Me. I have the... What bag has it got?
Wow.
Early access. Okay.
So yeah, very
I have a
So yeah, right here we've got Munchie, we've got Risky, we've got Jeff, we've got Peas. They're child mod, they're mods. Right there. We've got modded, we've got game modes. You can even change your stump computer. Right, yeah. I've got 3 sticks. Hopefully I become a mod or a finger painter because I really love this game. Anyways, if we go press here, press modded, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 mod menus. Do not use this in videos. Okay, I won't. Shiva Gold, Shiva Dark, got all these, mostly platforms. Then we've got this long mod menu. These are the ones I've got long arms on. Got really cool thingy. We've got this. And we've got this one. Then there's a bark mod menu right here. Even the mirror. Hello, mirror. Yeah. All of this stuff. Yeah, really cool. They've got extras. All of this stuff. Really cool. I really love this game so much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, 7. Lots. We've got materials, all of that stuff.
I'm not the mom.
Yeah, stamina and stuff. So yeah,
If I get it.
we've got Discord, we've got YouTube, we've got boards and stuff all over the place. Really cool game. Even shows your name in red. If you have a blank name like Gorilla or any person else, you probably will get banned. Like, well, it says blank name right there, permanent ban. I didn't do that. So yeah.
Guys, I'm trusted. Do you guys like my